Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you quickly how you can check your watch hours on YouTube. In case you've been hearing about watch hour and you don't really understand what watch hour is, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can check your watch hour so that you can know if you are improving on your channel or if you need to work hard to increase your productivity or to increase your success on YouTube. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and grow your business. My name is Awajima Mishoto. So please, before we get into the video, kindly do me a favor by liking this video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss all of the values that we share on this channel. All right. So straight, what do you need to do to check your watch hour? First of all, I need to on my data. Yeah, I need to on my data. All right. Yeah, so we are on now. So what I'm going to do is to go to my YouTube Studio app. You need to have this app on your phone. This is YouTube Studio app. This is like your kitchen in your entire house. All right, where you can check what is happening, where you can cook your stuff, where you can edit your YouTube channel from the back end. All right, so you come to this YouTube Studio here. If you don't have it, just go to Google Play Store and download it. So you click on it here and then you are going to see all of this. All right, let's say you click on it and you're seeing this. Right, if you're seeing this, what do you do next? What you need to do next is to head over to this sign, this dollar sign that you see here at the below right hand side. Click on it once. Click on it once. Okay, once you click on it once, you're going to be seeing this. All right, remember we're on the dashboard. I click on dashboard. This is what you're seeing. But when you click on N here, this dollar sign at the below right, you're going to see this. All right, when you see this now, you scroll to the bottom. Are you seeing this now? Scroll to the bottom. So this is your watch hour. Can you see this? For mine now is showing 1270 valid public watch hour, last 365 days. Can you see it now? So once you see this, you can determine whether your watch hour is increasing or is not increasing. So the more you create videos, the more you create content that can help people, the more this watch hour increase. Actually, what it means is how much time people spend watching your video. So you want to make sure that you improve your video, you add more values to your video so that you can keep people watching your video. So if you got value from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you want to learn more about how you can make money from YouTube even without monetization, then go to the link in the description. I have more details for you in the description. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.